Oh my god. Wow. He's back. He's back after months being gone. And he's back with the bathrobe. Yeah, bathrobe's back. Inspiration from a big old content creator called Hamza. He did help, actually my very first video on this channel was about him. He helped change my life a significant amount. Bathrobe's back. Also, it's cold outside. But we got bathrobe and the Onyx V1. Best compression top ever. So, it's been, at the time of this recording, it has been 3 months since I posted a long form YouTube video. Don't worry, I've been consistent daily with the YouTube shorts on my little Toji mini project of me trying to achieve my dream physique in 365 days. But of official, it's been 3 months since I've done a long form video. There is a reason why though. I finally have done it, right? So I started this journey on this Toji project of trying to achieve the physique of this anime character called Toji Fushiguro. Absolutely, he's a goal physique for me. And I basically had been hitting the gym for like a year, and then I decided to start recording of every day of me going to the gym and trying to achieve this physique, this little mini sort of like series, right? And at first, like, it was very like new and not many people were like interested, and then over time more and more people really got invested into it, to the point where people started seeing like my really small shitty physique, right? And people started commenting like, I was here from like day 1 or like day 50. You've made such a huge amount like of incredible progress. What's your workout routine? And I started getting this comment a lot, like, what's your workout routine? Drop your workout routine. And I was sat here thinking, okay, people are actually starting to see some progress. And I looked at the old videos. I'm actually not that small anymore. I'm still small. Like, you know, like if we take off, what is it? The bathrobe, right? I'm still like not like massive, right? But I'm significantly bigger than from what I used to be. Like the natural lighting isn't doing me any justice, right? But like I'm significantly bigger than what I like used to be. Like before I even started hitting the gym, I used to be like literally like an 18-year-old kid, like a full-on like young adult, and I weighed 49.8 kilograms. I weighed less than 50 kilograms at like 5'9", so I'm not that tall, 5'8", but I used to be so skinny, so lanky. I was such a lanky Asian kid. like that was like one of my nicknames, just being skinny, having skinny abs. Like, whoa, he's got abs. And the skinny abs don't really count. It's kind of weird because now I'm at like 70 kilograms, or just under, of pure muscle. Nah, pure fat and muscle. But still, like, so much growth has happened. And it's kind of incredible to be on this journey and now see other people recognize it too. And people were commenting a lot, right? People were commenting a huge amount on what is your workout routine. And the thing is, they could see every single... I picked up the water and didn't even drink it. People have seen every single day of me posting this, right, on daily. So they've not only like they've seen the result of where I am now, but they've literally seen the journey from day 1, right? So you want to see that progress, you can go to my channel and find it yourself. Like, it's kind of insane that it's there. Like, it's a documented journey of, like, where I was at that stage of life. And, like, those of you who are, like, OGs from the beginning, you'll remember what that iron pole is. Like, where I got that from. Like, you'll remember it. So, people were commenting a lot, like, drop a workout routine. And you know what? I kind of just sat here and thought, screw it, why not just do more? Why not just do all of it? Like, not just the workout routine. Why not just do everything? A complete beginner's guide to getting your dream physique, getting into the gym, getting to your, you know, the goal physique you want in life. So I thought, okay, why not just create a course on this? And then over the course of the past 3 months, I've actually realized like how hard it is to like set that up, and like recording all the stuff behind it, recording all like the gym exercises, and you know, like it was actually quite a lot. And then going through, talking with my editor, absolute legend, right? He went through and edited all of it, you know, and I was sat thinking, it's actually quite a bit of work. But the thing is, like, you're probably sat here thinking already immediately, like, oh no, he's doing another course. He's going to sell it for like thousands. Because that's like when I was first trying to get into the gym, you know, like literally like in 2023, it's 2025 now, right? When I first started getting into the gym, my God, like I remember like looking at like those big YouTubers, like massive content creators, right? Such good physiques. Like for example, like Hamza, right? Big channel, literally saved, like I was going through like a very dark period, like quite a few years ago when I was like really young, like 16, maybe even younger, where like I had a motorcycle crash and I essentially couldn't walk for like 2-3 months of my life. And it kind of was like, it was kind of like a very revealing moment that like kind of showed me like, okay, you can't walk now. This is what your life is. I just basically am a drug addict and alcoholic that drank every day, playing video games every day, and then works on every day. And like on my days off, all I did was just game. Like I didn't even leave my room. Like that's how bad it was, and like that's how lonely I was. So like kind of like that was like the pivotal moment for me to like actually start improving on myself. So. And then, like, looking at, like, all these, like, really big influencers who've got incredible physiques, and me, like, scrawny, lanky ass, was like, ooh, I can do that. I bet I could do that. What, they're selling a course? Oh my God, wow. Oh my God. I was becoming from the femboy 69 to the future me. And I was like, wow, oh my God, I could get bigger. And then I looked at, like, in the bio, and they were like, oh yeah, gym course, tap on it, takes me to this link, £1,000. What? $1,000? I'm an alcoholic. I don't have the money for that. I want the physique, but I don't want that much. Okay, well, it's not. That can't be all of them. I'll go into the other ones. 1,500. 1,200. 999. They were all the same. I was sat thinking, like, okay, like, I want a good physique, but all the information out on YouTube is so contradicting. It's so hard to find. And, like, it's kind of good to know, like, this person's routine, right? Exactly what they did. I would have that information, right? But for like $1,000, I don't know. Obviously, like after creating this course, that's actually what it's worth. Like it is worth that. Like it is worth like from 900 like pounds, like 1.5 thousand, right? It is actually worth that information. Like after going through like creating it, like the money that's gone into it, and just the information like on itself. It's actually worth quite a lot. But then I was looking at like, I was like, for the experiment, I'm like, okay, let's buy some, right? Let's just see like the cheaper ones, right? This person was like selling her workout routine, right? For like £50, right? £50 for just a photo of what she did. Not interactive in any way whatsoever, like literally just a photo. And I was sat here thinking, I mean, I've just spent 50 quid on this. Have found this PDF on the internet. So I was sat here thinking, okay, well, what can I do, right? Because if I do the same course thing, it's just going to piss people off. It's, you know, like someone like me who wanted to have that access, and I'm just going to be a part of the issue. But the thing is, like, what do I do, right? It is worth that information. So I was like, okay, all right, well, what can I do? I decided, what would a younger me want? Not gonna lie, I've done something really stupid. So what I've done, I've not done a routine. I've done a full course. So that's like the reason why I wanted to create this, is because this hasn't been done yet. People don't do this. They're all so expensive. That's why I wanted to create this, to give people who are exactly like me, actually like me, because you might be like me, might like Femboy. You know, a few years ago, you might be in that exact position right now, sat in a chair like this, in a bathrobe like this. You could be in the exact position, and if I sell you a course for $1,000, you're not going to do it. Like, we don't have the money for that. Like, you haven't reached this entrepreneurial stage in your life. Like, we're broke. We don't, you know, like, we're not in that position. So that's why I wanted to create this. I wanted to actually give this resource to people. Now, instead of just doing like the little bare minimum and charging it, right? I've not done a workout routine. What I've done, and this is what I'm about to say is really dumb, but, you know, I wanted this as, like, a younger kid, and I want this to be accessible to as many people. I don't care about the money, to be honest. Like, this is just to get me out from working, like, 3 jobs, right? This is what I really want to do. So and I want this to be accessible to as many people, right? I've created an absolute beginner's guide course of literally everything. So I've gone through the introduction, right? Absolute basics and things that I wish I did. Sleep, recovery, nutrition, dieting, right? The most important things to take seriously at the beginning, the workouts from a 1-day split, where you're going once a week, 2-day split, 3-day split, and so on, all the way down to my exact routine that I do now. Not only that, I've shown you the exercises, all the exercises I do, the form and how to do them correctly, properly, and safely to maximize most growth, what type of physiques you want to go for, and how to train for those types of physiques. I've also gone through not the exercises that I do, but all the alternatives of things that you can do which gets the same result, but your gym simply might not have, or you simply might not like. So I've also gone through and done the forms on all the other alternative exercises you can do, right? And I've also gone through tips and things that just helped. And not only that, I've done it all in nice, easy, simple video format that you can have and you will have permanent access to. So you can just basically watch and see and interact for when you need it, right? So I've gone through and done all of this. And at the same time, there will be a community that is going to be active on the website called Skool, Skool, from Alex Hormozy, super famous guy. You probably know about it already if you've been watching videos like this. So I've gone through and made a community on there, which will be opening at the same time of this, right? So not only that, you will get an interactive community with me and several others, hopefully, who can help with this. Not just that, right? You will also, from this subscription, you will get permanent access to any future courses in the future that I reveal and that will go on this platform. You will have immediate permanent access to. So, for example, one thing that people want is look maxing. Essentially just things I did that help skincare, hair, how to dress, all these things, right, that will probably be going up and live in the future. You will have immediate and permanent access to always. Forever. And that's the thing. If I've done all this, surely it's going to be even more expensive, right? Yeah, it's a monthly subscription. It's not going to be $1,000, but surely it's going to be really expensive, maybe £200 a month. If you join within this first month, £10 a month. And then afterwards, after that first month, that's the OG's discount. You got in early, you got out. Afterwards, £30 a month. Actually, you know what? I might not even do that. And I might just keep it and stick it to £10 a month, because I really don't care about the money, right? I really don't mind. Honestly, I just want this information to be accessible to people, and if you pay, then it kind of you're holding yourself obligatory? You're holding yourself in an obligation to take responsibility. I've actually paid money now, I may as well actually do it. And also, if you think about it, if you start going gym, right, and I'm charging you £50, and then you have to pay for a gym membership, which is like 20 quid, suddenly you're paying £70 a month. If it's £10 and you're going to a gym membership and it's £20, you're paying £30, which is actually the price of some gym memberships. That's so much more affordable. I don't understand why people are charging so much when they've actually got to pay and go to the gym as well. But then again, a lot of people, and especially gyms, they don't want you to go. The gyms that they make money off, people, are the ones that don't go to the gym. That's where they get most of the value from. So I realize that this is really stupid of me, charging this little, but I honestly don't care. I want this information to be as accessible as possible. And if you think about it, right, for this channel, right, for this community, everything, what this is for is I want to grow it to a space where I can help as many young people like me, kind of like other femboys, and, who are in the exact same position as me. And you've been watching this channel for a bit, you kind of know what I mean. I kind of want to help as many as possible. And this is exactly the thing I wish I had, because going to the gym was the very first disciplinary thing I ever did, first ever hard thing I ever did in my life, and that I actually had to try and stay consistent to, and it kind of helped with loads of things, not just gym, actually gaining muscles. It helped with my mentality, my discipline in just life, so it helped with a lot of things. So that's why I wanted to create this. I wanted to, people were really asking drop a workout routine, and I just thought, why not just do everything? The thing that I wish I had, it's just a whole fucking a whole thing, that website that you can just have at the tip of your fingertips, that just had all the questions that you wanted answered. But the thing is, everyone who does that, for example, no one does that. Everyone does like a workout routine and that's it, and they charge so much for it. Whereas this, you're going to have an interactive community. You're also going to have interactive videos that have everything down to like the little things as hand positionings on like forms, right? In a nice simple format, so it's not overwhelming. You're going to have different splits, like depending how many times you want to go to the gym, like once a week to like literally 6 times a week, which is why I go. And I used to do 7 times a week, but that was dumb. It was fun though. You're getting all of this for £10 a month, and I genuinely think it's so stupid to like put it so expensive, but I understand why, because it is worth that. But I wanted this to be accessible as to many people as possible, and you can leave essentially any time. There's no harm. You haven't lost £1,000. This is something that I've been working on for a while, and it's something I've always wanted to do. And I'm not gonna lie, I would have never done it. Like, I would have never had the courage to do it if I didn't start this like mini-series, the Toji Project, turning myself into the anime character, Toji Fushiguro, and people didn't start commenting like, can you drop a workout routine? I would have never done this, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm really thankful that people did comment that, because this has been an incredible amount of fun, just creating this for people. And I'm so excited. And the thing is, right, the reason I don't care about the money is because if as little as 50 people join, right, costing £10 a month, I can quit my jobs. I can quit at least one of my jobs. I'm working 3 jobs right now to sustain this. But that's fine, because, like, this is something I really want to do, so it's worth it. And I'm not going to be there forever. Like, that's just short income, like, for now, to fund all of this. And it's something I really am passionate about. So, like, 50 people, right, from, like, 5,000 or whatever, how many, like, I think I've got 5,000 or something subscribers from 50 people who watch. That's, like, being generous. I don't even think I'm going to get that. But, like, as little as that is enough for me to quit one of my jobs. That's a huge support. Like, I don't understand why people charge so much. I'm like, dude, that's so greedy. Like, what the fuck? Oh, you want this single picture of your dream workout routine and not actually, like, give you actual tips and helpful. Yeah, that's going to be £1,000. Like, the people are so money hungry now. Like, I grew up in, like, a real poor place. Like, I grew up in a barn, right? This would be a dream for me, because £10 is, like, achievable as, like, a kid. Like, that's like my pocket money. I'm so excited to reveal this course, and it will be revealing probably within a week from this point. And if you get it in for this first month, it will be £10. And it might stay for that for the rest of the time, but it might go up to 30 afterwards. Just so, like, you guys got the OG discount, you know? And the thing is, like, this course will be, I have constant access to it, and so do you. Which means I can constantly update it. So every time my workout split changes, I learn something new, something that's actually beneficial, something that might be helpful for people who've been going to the gym for a while. I will update it and show it on there for people to see, and you'll know. And you get a community. And on that community, you will be able to, like, request certain videos. Like, I'll put on, like, polls what videos people want to have on, like, YouTube, and you'll be able to have, like, videos that are kind of tailored to what you're asking for, because in reality, that's what matters, is what you want. I'm genuinely so unbelievably passionate about this, and I'm so excited in the fact that I'm in a position to do this. It's incredible. Like, 2 years ago when I started this, I didn't think I was going to be here. 4 years ago, I didn't think I was going to be on this planet. Shit, that got dark. I'm so grateful to be in a position to do this. Welcome to a new beginning. Alright, okay, time to record some YouTube shorts now. You know what I'm going to say. The most important thing at the end of every video: stay consistent and don't give up. Also, oh, I think I might have revealed this, like, earlier on, but we got this done, which is pretty sick, right? Got it done from an old friend, from where I grew up, literally, like, in my hometown, like, in Thailand. And we basically have done this tailored to, like, my growing up in my childhood. And there is a video on YouTube, like, the story of Wylder, and that has got it. It's quite old now, but, like, of, like, my literal growing up as a kid. And it's, like, tailored to my life. It's not done yet. It's gonna go all the way down, but this is random. But it's gonna be tailored to, like, literally, like, my childhood to where I am now. And it's kind of cool. That's something it's something I wanted to do for, like, years. Anyway, you know what time it is. 7 proof kiss.